What's up, everybody? This is Chuck, and welcome to Brand New Vegan. Today, we're making a brand new sandwich, something I just tried last weekend during my birthday out on the coast. It's called a Banh Mi Sandwich. It's a Vietnamese sandwich. It's traditionally made with all kinds of stuff that we don't want to eat. I used mushrooms, and it came out incredible. I hope you like it. So we're going to start with a little Daikon Radish. Now, you can buy these in a grocery store. I have them here on the West Coast. I'm sure you can probably find them somewhere. And we're going to just shred those up. You can use a mandolin. You can use whatever kind of julienne slicer you have. And you can also do this with a couple carrots. So we're going to get about a cup of each, Daikon radish and shredded carrot. And we're going to add some rice vinegar and water. And we're going to pickle those vegetables and just let them sit. Now, we're going to take some silken tofu, about half a package, and we're going to make some mayonnaise, some spicy Vietnamese mayonnaise. So we put the tofu in a blender. We're going to add a little lemon juice, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little salt, and a clove of garlic. This is just a basic mayo right here. But then we're going to spice it up just a little bit. Get that all blended. Perfect. Scrape down the sides. All right. So we're going to add a little hoisin sauce. Again, you can find this in a grocery store, probably in the Asian or the ethnic food section. A little hoisin sauce and sriracha. And now if you don't like sriracha, you can adjust this to your own taste, but I used a good heaping tablespoon there. And it came out perfect. Not too hot, just a nice little twang to it. So that is our basic spicy mayo. It makes about 3/4 of a cup. So now for the meat, we're going to use portobellos. I'm going to take the stems off. I'm going to slice up just a little bit of onion and get that softening up in a pan. And I'm going to slice up our mushrooms. And these are nice big portobellos. I got about 16 ounces there. We're going to slice those up. Oh, like my apron? That was a birthday gift. I love it. All right. So now I used a French baguette. I got these at Whole Foods. They're oil-free. And we're going to spread our mayo on here. Yeah, one of my dear friends decided I needed to quit wearing the same hoodie over and over, so she bought me an apron for my birthday. Thank you, Trish. All right, so we got our portobellos. We're going to add our marinade. We got our onions in there. We're going to cook that down until most of the liquid's gone. And that's our meat. To make our sandwich, we're going to take our toasted baguette, pile it up with those mushrooms. Yeah, I put a little bit more mayo on there. We're going to add some of those pickled veggies. And then to garnish, I've got some sliced cucumber, some jalapenos. They're not that hot, I don't think. And some cilantro. And again, I know a lot of people don't like cilantro. This is all optional, the garnishments, but use whatever you like. And then put it together as carefully as you can. And maybe add in some of my homemade potato chips. Oh my gosh, I tried this at the beach and it was so good. And I knew I was going to have to make it. So that's what I did. I came home and made my version. Hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We do one of these videos every single week, so come back next week and see what's going to happen. I don't know yet. You guys will be the first to know. I'll leave a link below with all of the ingredients and the instructions in it to my blog. And again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.